Welcome. My name is Jeremy. This is
Carter.
This is
Nirvana.
And this is
Styling.
We're back again to do another video. I think that we are going to. We're going to do that, Carter.
To play this game.
We're going to play
this game.
This is one of your favorite games.
Yeah. I want to play one of Carter's favorite games today.
Plumber pans. That's the name that. It's called Plumber pans. So we've actually already played this, but we definitely want to share it with all of our friends. Is that right?
Carter? It's a fun game.
Yeah, this is a fun game.
It's a fun game. So as you can see, we've already played it because she just messed up the box, and we had to tape it all together. So
Carter's gonna set it up for us.
Carter.
Come on, Carter, you gonna set it up for us?
So we've already put this together. This is the sink, and here is the plumber inside the sink. So how we do this? So this right here is. Oh, you can't push it up here, Carter. You gotta wait. We'll keep it down. So what goes in here?
The tools.
The tools.
Yeah.
So we'll go ahead and put the tools in there. We've actually already took this game out. We've already played it several times. It's always good to have Ziploc bags for the kids. Are you gonna mess up this surprise? Cut. Take two. Okay, you ready?
Alright.
We had a little mishap. Carter's always hurting himself. You good?
It's fine. He's ready to play the game.
You gotta tell him you're good. You gotta tell everybody know I'm good. Okay, so let's start it. You ready, Carter? Okay, so these are the tools. So what do we do?
You gotta show them what's with the tools.
What do we do?
We can't hear you.
Put the tools right here.
Okay.
Okay, we put them all right there. We can actually,
put the tools there.
we can actually take this out and go ahead and put the tools in.
You gonna help?
Scott, you gonna play? Go ahead and attach the tools. Mom's doing it wrong. Put the tools in there. Oh! And that's the problem with these tools. You get one down there, you mess the whole thing up. I make these kids' games so difficult.
Alright, got one more. Alright, Carter, what's next?
What's the water for? Put it in there.
Can I put it in there?
Go ahead.
That's good. That's fine.
It's dripping.
Yes, put too much water in here. Okay, and then what is this for? This is the faucet?
sink.
Yeah, the sink. Put it in and close it on up.
There you go.
Okay, now the objective of this game is to,
Put the tools in his pocket.
It's on his belt.
on this belt,
His belt.
and you want to do it kind of softly,
Yeah, do it gently.
because
You don't
once
make
you
it
put in
big.
there, it goes down a little bit.
Yeah. Like this.
So the objective is you don't want to make his pants fall down.
You don't want to make his pants fall down.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright, your turn now.
So my turn next.
Come on, sir.
And you can see his belt is moving and going, getting lower. Oh!
Gentle, Carter.
Ah.
Oh, there you go.
Okay. So when it goes too low, his head pops up and water sprays. So.
Alright, Carter, you lost. Alright, so somebody else go first now.
Okay. Hi guys.
Alright, Carter, you lost the first game.
Okay.
So I'll start.
Okay.
Come on, Carter, sit down. Leave people alone. Let them watch us play the game.
Alright,
Your turn.
Carter, your turn. We're waiting.
I'll turn.
Let's see how many we can get on there. Come on, Carter.
Woo!
That's my daddy.
Go, Carter. I mean, it's your mom's turn. Carter, look. Oh!
Uh-oh. Sorry.
Got your sister. You get wet.
Did we scare you?
Did we scare you?
Mom lost. I'm winning.
I think I'm winning.
No.
No, Carter
I'm
lost the
winning.
first round.
No, I'm winning. It off. You take the guys off.
Okay. It's your mom's turn. Hold on, Carter.
Let me go. Alright, Carter.
Ooh. You can see what type of underwear he got on. My turn? Your mom's trying to cheat.
Go ahead.
Scott, is it my turn?
So go ahead.
Sorry, I'm a papa. Why we did?
Your turn, Carter. Oh, it's your mom's turn.
It's your mom's turn?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, your turn. Oh! Oh, she mad.
Hey, what happened?
This game is cheating.
Oh.
You got
Oh. That's right.
That's
Remember to take the tools off before you try to press it down. 'Cause
Okay.
I keep doing that.
Daddy, it's your turn.
Here we go.
Sky, you want a tool?
Oh!
Yeah, Dad only got 3 tools on here.
He got the camera.
Skyland's got a tool. Oh. Okay.
Oh.